And a loud voice. I mean, if you come here, I told you, mom voice, I inherited some of that stuff from her, but her voice carries. And yes. So my first memory of her was her voice. And she would be teaching Hindi Prachar Sabha Hindi, and there would be talks about Sahitya and Sandhi and Samas and Vyakaran, everything that you could think of. So I knew all about what was in the books way before I enrolled myself into the program. So my first recollection of my mom was as a teacher. And you could think of that. So always a teacher. Very firm in her approach, but even now, I'm so proud of all the things that she's been able to do, and I'm really proud. It's always happened that you want the parents to be proud of you as children, but it's the reverse here. Like, I'm super proud of her being able to do all that she has done and continuing to inspire a lot of people around us, our friends, our family, and everyone that comes in association with her is very inspired, and my kids including. My daughter was I think she was 8 or 9 when they asked her, "Who's the most inspiring woman in your life?" And she came to me and she's like, "Mom, you won't feel really bad." Actually, I'm going to put grandma's name in there. And I looked at her and I said, "Just wait until your college bills come due." but she chose to put my mom as her most inspiring woman in the world, and she still continues to inspire my children. So I would like to have her mom, Shatish Baharoli, please come and not speak her mind, but hopefully say a few things.
My respectable brothers and sisters, प्यारे बच्चे, आप सबों को गुरु पूर्णिमा की ओर से मेरी हार्दिक बधाइयाँ। So, we are here together, gathering to honor our gurus. Actually, this Guru Parampara started. So, आप सुन सकते हैं? मैंने सोचा कि बिना माइक के भी मैं बोल सकती हूँ। मेरी आवाज़ तो इतनी ऊंची है कि ताकि इंडिया में क्लासेस चलाते चलाते एक ही क्लास में तो 40-50 लोगों से बिताकर और आउटर साउंड के ज़्यादा उससे कम्पीट करते हुए हमें चिल्लाना पड़ता था। तो मेरी वॉइस तो ऐसी ही टंडर की हो गई कि वह बिना माइक के और बिना आवाज़ इसके लिए मैं बोल सकती हूँ। अच्छा, सॉरी। तो ये गुरु परंपरा के बारे में बोल रहा तो सॉरी, आई एम टॉकिंग इन हिंदी। अबाउट दिस गुरु परंपरा, we start this Guru Parampara from our Adi Guru, Vyasa ji, because he is considered to be the Adi Guru for us. Then after that, we go for our Guru Parampara from every religion, not only in Hinduism, in Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, in every religion. We have that Guru Parampara. So it is not newly introduced, it is from Paramparagat. Even we can say from Yuga se. So we go first, we think of this Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga, before that Treta Yuga. In every Yuga, we have seen this Guru Sishya Sambandh and also Guru Sishya Parampara. How they were. It is very important one to note that the gurus are respected even by gods. In Ramavatara, in Krishna Avatara, see, we consider they are Bhagavan. So they came in Dashavasaras. Even in those days, Bhagavan Sri Ram respected his Guru, Vasishtha and Vishwamitra. Even Bhagavan Krishna, he worshipped, he honored, he respected his Guru Sandeep. So this, it is युग युग से चल रहा है, not yesterday or today. Guru Shishya Sambandh is such a holy one, such a good one, such a great one. Even now we are worshipping and honoring. Okay, then after that we go for this Guru's importance, even in Mahabharata. See, Dronacharya taught so many students, but Arjuna shined in that. In Parashurama's Shishya Karna was famous, as we know. They were competitive. So, see, we have to note here, Gurus in no way they wanted to be great. They wanted their Sishyas to be great. That is important quality of our Gurus. That is what our Guru Parampara teach us today. You be a ladder. You be a ladder. Make everyone to come up and shine. See, Arjuna was very proud of his Guru. I am Dronacharya's Shishya. Equally, Karna said, I am Parashuram Shishya. So, what a great thing. So, through their Sishyas, Gurus got that name. So, we have to recognize such a Gurus. We are honoring those Gurus. Because when we worship, when we praise these Sishyas, automatically these things were laid by his Guru. So we have to respect them. Okay. So after that we come to, after these yugas, let us come to our Kali Yuga. In Kali Yuga also, no less Gurus we have. See, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, and Ramanujacharya, these Acharyas, though they were Gurus, they were called as Acharyas. All they were called religious Gurus, no doubt. Then after that we come to modern world. There also, see, the great king, emperor Chandragupta Maurya had his Guru Chanakya. The great Chakravarti, that is Shivaji Maharaj, he had his Dadaji Kondadev Guru. So with all these things we understand. See, no Guru wanted to be a ruler. No Guru wanted to reach that high post of an administrator. They created them. So here it shows that Niswartha Seva. How they did, they wanted to make their Sishyas great. Through them they wanted to gain their aim. They achieve their goal. So these are the great things. So in this place, no doubt we have to say, we say, Guru Govinda do khade kaake parage pao. बलिहारी गुरु आपनो गोविंद दियो बताए. हाँ, क्या ही अच्छी बात है. ऐसे गुरुओं के लिए हम नमस्कार करते हैं, क्योंकि गुरु ही भगवान को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. तो हम भगवान कौन है जानते नहीं, तो भी उसे इंट्रोड्यूस किया. हाँ, so we people say, या धरती, सारी धरती को मैं कागज करूं, सभी वनों को मैं लेखनी बनाऊं, सारे सातों समुद्र को भी मैं मसीह बनाऊं, गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए. ऐसे गुरुओं की वंदना करना तो हमारा पहला कर्तव्य हो गया है. ऐसे ही हम आगे आते ही और कुछ आगे बढ़े, तब तो हम सुनते हैं कि महान विवेकानंद जी के लिए रामकृष्ण परमहंस गुरु थे. आज हम विवेकानंद की बड़प्पाई बोलते हैं, बोलते हैं तो we think of परमहंस. से गुरु कैसी होनी चाहिए, इसे तो परमहंस ने हमें बताया. First you practice. When he wanted to advise a child not to eat more jaggery, he asked him to come after a month time. Because his Shishya asked him, why do you ask after all to tell this one? You would have asked that day itself. He said no. I had this habit. First, I wanted to get rid of it. Then only I am eligible to teach that one. Practice before you learn. So what a great thing he had. So ऐसी गुरुओं के लिए हम वंदना करना हमारा पगला फर्ज समझते हैं. अच्छा. So let us come to this modern and then now. We have two types of gurus. One is a spiritual guru, another is our academic guru. So there is no difference. दोनों की जरूरत है. ये गाड़ी के दो पहिए हैं ये दोनों. So one is there, another is पहिया. दोनों पहिए एक साथ चले तभी तो हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. तो इसकी जरूरत है. ऐसी दुनिया में तो हमें स्पिरिचुअल क्या सिखाते हैं? They teach us about our Puranas and Vedas because we are in different world. We are running behind everything today. इस ऐसी गति में हमें स्लो करके आत्मज्ञान करके और हमें कुछ आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान देके ये वांटेड टू लाइट अस. सो ये कार्य स्पिरिचुअल गुरु कर रहे हैं. दे गिव लिबरेशन फ्रॉम दिस. दे आर टीचर्स लिबरेशन. मुक्ति मार्ग दिखाते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड तो जीने की कला सिखाते हैं. सो ये एकेडमिक के गुरु. ऐसे गुरुओं में कौन ऊंचा है? दोनों अंकों में कौन सी अंक इम्पोर्टेंट है? दोनों है. सो वी हैव टू वर्शिप बोथ. वी हैव टू हॉनर बोथ. ऐसे. सो इन दोज डेज जब हम बच्चे थे उस जमाने में हमें स्कूल में एक मॉरल पीरियड हुआ करता था. इन दैट मॉरल पीरियड थ्रू सम स्टोरीज थ्रू सम अदर थिंग्स वी वर टॉट हाउ टू मेक अप आवर लाइफ. How to live. The morality was taught. But nowadays वह गायब हो गया है. No, that place is occupied by other subjects. Okay. Wait, don't worry. So उस दिया में ही तो we have our Bal Vihar classes. Our Bal Vihar teachers are teaching that one. So that responsibility has been taken by these people. We are very glad. In some schools, they are teaching about this. Some institutions. So they are teaching these religious things. But sorry to say, they are teaching about the religion only, not of other things. So it is not blame. It is their duty they are doing. So we have to accept. Here, the academic teacher we see. They say they are having more and more and more and more responsibilities. Yes, because they have to satisfy their administrators. They have to satisfy the parents' expectations. And also they have to balance with their children's capacity. Children are from different society, different culture, different background, different type of families. And they have to balance them. In that, their responsibilities are more. They have to complete the syllabus. Here, the teachers have to have more responsibilities. So, these gurus are having more responsibilities. We say they are having kachi mitti. Students are kachi mitti. So, they are given to the teacher. The teacher have to make a shape. So, हमारे कवि बोलते हैं गुरु तो कुंभार है, बच्चे जो हैं वह कुंभ है. या कच्ची मिट्टी को कुंभ के शेप देना तो उनका कर्तव्य हो गया है. So this is the duties of our teachers. Here, the teachers' responsibilities are more and more because first thing, the teachers' quality-wise meeting, so they have to take the subject. They should have good subject knowledge to give reply to all type of questions. And also they have to balance the students' mentality. They have to have more and more patience. चाहे वह and also the equal. चाहे वह प्रिंस कृष्णा हो या कुंवर सुदामा हो, दोनों को एक साथ बिठाकर उन्हें सिखाना पड़ता है. Their responsibility is more for our teachers. सो ऐसे गुरुओं की वंदना करना तो हमारा कर्तव्य है. We citizens, we parents, everybody. So that nowadays our children are very, very clever, very clever. They want everything immediate because they are used. They want, they know instant coffee, fast food, and express delivery, post, and also Tatkal reservation. ऐसे बच्चों को बैलेंस करना तो टीचर्स का कर्तव्य हो गया है. I have heard one student asked a teacher when she was talking about some our Puranas and Dashavatara. That child immediately said one question. Yes, sir, you say that Vamana measured this entire earth in one step. In the second one, Akash. Okay. Okay, sir, when everything was measured by him, where that Vali was standing? Very wonderful question. If we were in that place, we would have blinked or but the teacher was very patient. He was very clever. And he had immediate, spontaneous answer. बच्चा आओ यहाँ, बुलाया. देखो तुम्हारे टो और दूसरे नेक्स्ट फिंगर के बीच में कितना जगह है? ये तो ये इतना है. देखो इतनी बड़ी दुनिया को किसने यह नापा? उसके पाँव कितना बड़ा होगा? उसके पाँव में दोनों उंगलियों के बीच में कितना जगह हुआ होगा? बाली वहां खड़ा था. This was the answer for the teacher. So इसलिए हम करते हैं. तो बहुत समय हो गया होगा. इसलिए our teachers' responsibilities are more. Here one more thing to say. Teachers, we people, anybody, any teacher should not think I am primary school teacher. He is a professor. He is college teacher. No. हर एक की अपनी अपनी एक जगह होती है. We see the big mansion, beautiful big mansion, but we don't see the foundation hidden in the earth. That foundation was laid by a primary teacher. So that primary teacher also to be honored. He is the first guru. In Kannada literature they say, ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ಜನನಿ ತಾನೇ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು. So the mother who taught you to Amma, she tells first word Amma, she teaches. The father who teaches the first step to put, they are gurus. So Varanamatram Kalsidatam Guru, one who teaches you a single word, a single letter, he is considered to be the teacher. So everywhere Guru Shishya Sambandha is there. About this, so हम तो बोलते जाएंगे तो सागर को गागर में भर नहीं पाते. तो जितना भी हो हम गुरुओं के लिए हमारे हार्दिक 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 वंदनाएं हर समय हम करते रहेंगे तो हमारे बच्चे भी हमारे वंशज भी हर कोई ऐसे ही पनपेंगे ऊंची करेंगे. Last, I want to thank our VHP organizers and others, all brothers and sisters, for the opportunity provided for me to share my thoughts and views with you. Hari Om. Jai Sri Ram.